It was hot, dry wind, shifting sand. I was ready to strike, coiled, loaded, perfect. And then I was gone. 1 second, I ruled the desert. The next, I was just a head twitching in the sand. I couldn't see. I couldn't move my body. But I wasn't dead. My jaw twitched. My tongue flicked. Something in me, deep, automatic, kept firing. Even in death, I was dangerous. Reflexes outlive thought. A snake head can bite minutes, even hours, after separation. It's not a myth. It's biology. They always make the same mistake. They see a still head and think, it's over. They reach. My fangs drop. My jaw snaps. Venom flows. There are real stories of people bitten by decapitated snakes. The nerves still alive. The venom still potent. The heat cooks me slowly, keeps my nerves twitching. Every cell screaming one last message. Move. Attack. Survive. My venom glands don't know I'm dead. My muscles don't care. I strike because I was made to. I do what I've always done. I don't feel pain. I don't know where my body went. But the world keeps touching me. And I keep responding. Eventually, I fade. The twitching slows. The light in my tongue dies. But until then, I am venom. I am memory. I am instinct without life. Most creatures die once. Snakes die in pieces. That's why you never touch a snake head. It doesn't need a brain to finish the job. I wasn't alive. I wasn't dead. I was something in between. And that is why it sucks to be me.